Hey guys, my name is Russell. In this video, I want to quickly show you how to create a screenshot from your video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Sound interesting? Let's begin by bringing the video onto the timeline and play the video to the point where we would like to take the screenshot at. Let's say I want to take the screenshot right about here. So I can either go to the program panel monitor and click on the small camera icon, or I could use a small keyboard shortcut which is Control Shift and E. Control Shift plus E, let me say it clearly, and is sometimes confused with N. So Control Shift plus E and this dialog box will appear. So you can change the name of the screenshot to anything, let's say screenshot 1. You can change the format to JPEG or PNG to your liking. It will save at this path, and you can also, if you check this point, import the item in the screenshot directly into your media bin. Let me show you how. Press OK, and just notice over here in the media bin, the screenshot will appear momentarily. Oh, sorry, it already exists. That's the file already confirm override. Yes. So now if you look at the media bin, it is now here. So just drag and drop it on top of it, and as you can see, let's play the video over here. And let's see if the screenshot is actually a screenshot. Yeah, it is actually a screenshot. So beautiful. This is a very useful, powerful, and time-saving tool to keep in your arsenal. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit that like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.